uh, iPhones, Apple, Macs, and all. Okay, so if we are talking about him, what he said was innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Very nicely said. दैट इनोवेशन एक ऐसी चीज है जो जहां से शुरू होती है, उसके बाद में एक फर्स्ट थॉट होता है, एक फर्स्ट इनोवेशन होता है, और उसके बाद में सब उसे कॉपी करते हैं। एंड ये काफी एविडेंट है। ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब ये सारी चीजें सिर्फ किताबों में है या बुकिश है, ऐसा नहीं है। इफ यू सी, देयर वाज अ ड्यूरेशन, एक जमाना था जहां पर लोग रील वाले फोटो कैमरास यूज करते थे। देन somebody started डिजिटल कैमरा। तो अभी एसएलआर, डीएसएलआर, ये सारी चीजें अपने आप चेंज होने लगी। कहाँ से शुरू होता है ये इनोवेशन? एक कोई होता है जो उसे शुरू करता है, एंड उसे जब उसका सक्सेस मिलना शुरू होता है या फिर कोई उसका विजन देखता है, तो वो उसे कॉपी करना शुरू करता है, और वो कॉपी करने से ही हमारे यहाँ पर डिजिटलाइजेशन या इनोवेशन या टेक्नोलॉजी, ये सारी चीजें धीरे धीरे करके कॉमन होती जा रही है। आज से कुछ साल पहले अगर मैं बात करूं तो लैंडलाइन के फोन्स थे, जहां पर हमारे पास वी कुड नॉट इंटरेक्ट, वी कुड नॉट सी, इट वाज जस्ट अ ऑडियो कॉल। एंड आज के जमाने में राइट नाउ आई एम सिटिंग हियर व्हेन देयर इज अ पेंडेमिक क्राइसिस एवरीवेयर, आई एम सिटिंग हियर इन माय रूम, and we are around 70, 80 participants, we are seeing each other, we can talk to each other. So if I go back to 15 years or 30 years back and I ask, do you expect something like this will be a new coming thing which will be a part of technology? I think people did not had that vision, but an organization or a company, as a person, somebody had that vision at that time, which was an innovation, and that brought this into a reality. So this is what an innovation is. So moving on to the next topic. So I have moved into my second slide. I hope you are able to see this. So first and the foremost thing, when I had this topic in my mind, innovation and technology, I wanted to bring things clear in front of everybody. सबके सामने जो दोनों के डिफरेंसेस होते हैं उसको समझना सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है। इनोवेशन एंड टेक्नोलॉजी दो अलग चीजें हैं। इनोवेशन एक ऐसी चीज है जो यूनिक है, ये कभी पहले क्रिएट नहीं हुई है, और अभी फ्यूचर में इसका यूज बढ़ता जाएगा। टेक्नोलॉजी जो है वो इनोवेशन से शुरू होता है, ठीक है? एंड द करंट टेक्नोलॉजी इज अ इनोवेशन फ्रॉम द पास्ट which has made our lives so much easier. So if you see, if I am talking about my personal life, I had seen when I was 6 years out of my house. I did my diploma, I did my graduation. So when I was doing my diploma in 2004 or 2005, my conversation with my parents or any of the family members was just like a audio call, and that also very expensive and all. And nowadays I can just interact with somebody. So the innovation, if you see, things have been become more easier. Don't you accept that पहले के जमाने में चीजें थोड़ी क्रिटिकल हुआ करती थी। My mother was always worried about कि मैं बोल कुछ रहा हूँ, लेकिन हो सकता है कि मेरी तबीयत अच्छी नहीं हो, मुझे बुखार है, फिर भी she cannot feel it. But now she can visually see me that I am okay, I am fine, I am doing good and all. Even to the next level, when we share our live locations, person can actually see us, that where this person is right now standing. So see the advancement, see the technology, see the innovation, what was brought with an organization called Google. We all know Google is a very well known organization. It started with a small innovative thinking. It just started with a small change that they brought in. A best example that I would share you right now, if you see below, there is a small light colored picture. I tried to make it dark, but I did not wanted to fade the screen, so I kept it like that only. If you see the first, there is a candle. The other one is electric bulb. Then comes the CFL, and then is the LED. So if you see, these are the changes of four levels of technology. But it started with an innovation. somebody at some organization or somebody at his lab made this small changes, made this brought this into existence. Like if we are talking about LED, 3M was the organization which started this LED light. So they made that innovation within their organization and then they brought it into the entire world. So if you see, there are four phases. In fact, there are many phases which did not even see the light of existence. They did not come into market. It is not something like that. You bring some innovation, you bring some technology, and then immediately, boom, it's going to hit the market. No, there are many things that came inside. बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसे बीच में आई जो एग्जिस्टेंस में नहीं आ पाई. बट ये ऐसी चार चीजें हैं, ये चार इवोल्यूशन ऑफ लाइट है जो हम लोगों ने फेज बाय फेज देखा है. दैट रिमाइंड्स मी सम परसों की ही बात है. माय मैटरनल अंकल, मेरे मामा एंड मेरी मदर, माय मामा राइट नाउ इज इन कुवैत एंड माय मदर, दे वर हैविंग अ कन्वर्सेशन. दे सेड कि हम ऐसा जनरेशन है जिसके अंदर हम लोगों ने सब कुछ देख लिया लाइफ में. वी यूज्ड टू स्टडी, वी यूज्ड टू हैव आवर डिनर बिलो अ लैम्प. एक छोटा सा लैम्प के नीचे लाइट का वो जो विक वाला जो लैम्प होता है उसके नीचे हम लोग बैठ के खाना खाते थे. एंड आज हम लोग वीडियो कॉल कर रहे हैं. आई रेस्पेक्टफुली डिसएग्री बिकॉज जब मैंने शुरू किया, व्हेन आई वाज बोर्न इन 1988, आई ऑलरेडी सॉ दिस इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब. बट by the age when I reach 60, I don't know what new innovations are going to come, what new technologies are going to come. So it is as and when the time goes on, there is always an innovation. There is always a technology which obsolutes the old technology, obsolutes the old innovations, and brings in a new challenge. So, इसलिए many organization, many big organization, they always say change is inevitable. So, changes हमेशा आते रहना चाहिए. A very good example here is Kodak. Another example is BlackBerry. I'm right now having a BlackBerry phone in front of me. I was savvy of this phone, but now there are no applications. There is nothing which is beating the existing Apple or Android phones. Okay, सब चीजें पुरानी हैं, सारी चीजें मैं इवन WhatsApp भी नहीं यूज कर सकता इसके अंदर. Though I love this phone, but I have to keep it aside. Why? Because they did not accept the change. They did not accept क्या हाँ मार्केट के अंदर innovations चाहिए. I read an interview where the person who was owning this organization, the CEO or something like that, he said इतने सारे apps की क्या जरूरत है, नेट है ना. बट एप्पल ने ये चीज नहीं सोची. एप्पल ने सोचा कि बहुत सारे शॉर्टकट्स हो जाते हैं अगर हम लोग एप्स डालते हैं तो. एंड यू सी, एप्पल इज डूइंग वेरी गुड, एंड्रॉइड इज डूइंग वेरी गुड, बट एट द सेम टाइम BlackBerry is nowhere in the market right now. Okay, they came into Android, they are trying their level best, but they cannot match the market. So this is how the innovation comes. If you don't innovate, if you don't improvise yourself, at some point of time, you are obsolete. This is most important. एंड बेसिकली अभी का जो सिनेरियो है जहाँ पे इतना इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस है, इतना प्रॉब्लम है, यू नीड टू इनोवेट लाइक एनीथिंग. You need to think out of the box. I always say, think out of the box. Don't say this is the routine, this is the thing that we always do. Think something different. Think, make something different. So another thing, I will give you an example of two uh, things that came into existence because of an accident or an innovative thought or anything like that. फर्स्ट इज द स्टिकी नोट्स. आई एम श्योर बहुत से आप लोगों में से ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको स्टिकी नोट्स की स्टोरी पता है. बट फिर भी मैं एक रिफ्रेशर, एक रिवीजन देता हूँ, और कुछ लोग जिनको इसके बारे में नहीं पता है उनको मैं इन्फॉर्म करता हूँ. सो स्टिकी नोट की स्टोरी ऐसी है. एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है 3M करके, इट्स अमेरिकन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. दे हैड अ वेरी गुड कल्चर ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग एंड अनदर कल्चर which said that अगर आपसे कोई गलती होती है, be bold enough, stand in front of people and say I made this mistake, so that people also learn from you and they don't make that similar mistake. And plus they also think about कि हाँ चलो ये मिस्टेक हो गई, उसको इम्प्रोवाइज किस तरह से किया जा सकता है. सो 3M के अंदर एक जमाने की बात है जब एक बैच जो वो लोग इमल्जन्स का बना रहे थे, इमल्सिफायर्स का जो बना रहे थे, उसके अंदर एक बैच ऑफ स्पेक हो गया. नाउ व्हाट ऑफ स्पेक मींस that it cannot be reused, it cannot be blended back, specifications are different, maybe some parameters were different. So it was totally a waste. It was kept aside. So the person, the plant manager probably, the person who was making this particular batch came in front of people, addressing the people, saying that we made a mistake. Uh, हमने एक बैच बनाया था एंड एडेसिव्स का बैच था, लेकिन इट डिडंट डू वेल. उसकी जो प्रॉपर्टीज हमको जो चाहिए थी वो सारी मिली नहीं है इसको. सो राइट नाउ हम लोगों ने उसको यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है. सो वी आर थिंकिंग हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं. सो जो लोग वहां पे एड्रेस हो रहे थे उसके अंदर एक बंदा था जो चर्च के अंदर गिटारिस्ट था. चर्च के अंदर आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारी मूवीज में दिखाया जाता है, एक कॉयर होता है, कॉयर के अंदर पियानो बजाने वाला होता है, कोई वायलिन बजाने वाला होता है, कोई गिटारिस्ट होता है. सो देयर वाज अ पर्सन हु वाज अ गिटारिस्ट. सो वो हमेशा क्या करता था, उसके उसको एक प्रॉब्लम होती थी कि जब भी वो गिटार बजाता था तो कोर्स जो है वो सामने सपोर्ट पे रखता था वो, बट वो हमेशा पेज जो है वो नीचे स्लिप होके आ जाता था, तो उसका ध्यान हमेशा भटका था. तो उसने इसे जस्ट यूज किया, उसको थोड़ा सा एक लेयर जो था वो पेपर के पीछे चिपकाया और उसे वहां पर सपोर्ट पे लगाया. एंड ही प्लेड दैट एंटायर जो मास था उसने वो खत्म करने के बाद जब उसने निकालने की कोशिश की, ही सॉ वेरी स्ट्रेंज थिंग दैट दो इट वाज अ एडेसिव, उसके पीछे कोई स्टेन्स नहीं थे. So he thought of this innovation. He thought of this something. अरे बाप रे, ये तो कुछ अलग चीज हो गई. So he came up with this trials. Then we call ये सारी चीजें जो है वो ये 3M ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने एक्सेप्ट की, अडॉप्ट की. एंड आज हम लोग स्टिकी नोट्स, पोस्ट-इट्स, पता नहीं क्या क्या है उसको नाम देके हम लोग उसे यूज कर रहे हैं. इट वाज an accidental discovery. Somebody thought of some innovation, somebody thought of something new, and today itself it is having a market share. I go into a shop of stationery and I say I want post-its, I want sticky notes, I want this. So can you imagine, it was something that was off spec, it was waste, and some people thought of something new. Similar is the story of a potato wafers, unbelievable potato wafers. If you don't know this, people in primitive times, means पुराने जमाने में ऐसा होता था कि potato wafers का कोई existence ही नहीं था. People used to eat French fries. People were savvy about French fries. Okay, so French fries के अंदर एक रेस्टोरेंट की बात है. एक रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर ऐसा हुआ कि पोटैटोज वर शॉर्ट. तो दे थॉट ऑफ के जो शेफ था उसे उसके मैनेजर ने बोला, अरे यार फ्रेंच फ्राइज के इतने ऑर्डर्स आर कमिंग इन एंड हमारे पास पोटैटोज ही शॉर्ट है, तो अभी क्या करें. तो ही थॉट ऑफ समथिंग न्यू. ही सेड कि मैं उसको स्लाइस करके फ्राई करता हूँ. इन दैट टर्म्स द वॉल्यूम विल बी मोर. Okay, and plus we will be available, we can accommodate with this existing potato stock. So he did like that, and it was a super hit. And this innovation, I would like to ask everybody, though you can answer, but this question is, can you get a french fries in a shop, Karyana store, general store, or anything like that? No, but potato wafers are available there. You pay just 5 rupees, and they give you this potato wafers. So you see, this innovation came with an accident. It was a need of the moment, and this is how this potato wafers came into existence. And they are right now more and more popular than that of French fries. So this is something which was an accident. This was something which was never expected. Nobody intended to do that. Okay, it came with an existence which was becoming survival strategy, or they just wanted to try it something different. So if such small things can be so popular, why cannot big things be? If we make any small innovations inside our house also, they are also new, they are also adaptable, they can also be accepted. Similar is something that we call in India is called Jugaad technology. My next presentation is about, oh sorry, I'll move to the innovations first, then we will move on to the Jugaad technology. So I was just surfing the internet to see what are the new innovation that has come in the line these days. So if you see the first picture that we are able to see is a couple watch. This is a very interesting thing. I like that. So if you see, there is a small ring-like thing, and there is a number, there is a time written on there. This is actually a alarm clock. How does this work? ये जो रिंग है वो वहां पर आपको प्लेस करना है और उसके अंदर एक टाइम सेट करना है. लेट्स से आई वांट टू वेक अप एट 5:30 and my wife wants to wake up at 6:30. So she makes the time 6:30 and I make the time 5:30 and I just pick up that ring and wear it in my finger. Okay. So morning में जब 5:30 बजेंगे, this ring that I'm wearing will vibrate and will wake me up. This is fantastic thing. Was it something very new? Yes, it is new. But was it something that nobody could have thought about? I don't think so. This was very simple thought. Vibration sensors, people from instrumentation very well know how they can make it. But this was something innovative thinking. This was like अभी आज के तारीख में आज मुझे अगर जल्दी उठना पड़ता है तो by default मेरी वाइफ को उठना पड़ता है because the alarm clock बजता है. My mother always says ladies have very sensitive sleeping pattern. So थोड़ा सा भी आवाज आता है she also wakes up and she also has to live with it. So I was so impressed with this technology. Wow. The another thing is like this knife cleaner. If you see, it's a cutlery. Knife को साफ करने में हम लोगों को बहुत मेहनत लगती है. People who wash the utensils, I have done it, so I know that. So हमेशा डर लगता है कि अरे यार इसका sharpness अगर हाथ को लग गया तो. So they have brought this new innovative way of doing this cleaning. The other thing is S-type hangers. I would say for the people who are married, this is a boon because in my house itself, my wife is having an entire wardrobe and I am having a half of it. But still, her clothes come into my wardrobe. And when I tell her, she always says that I don't have enough space. So it is like this S-type for people like me. This S-type hanger itself is a boon for you people. So if you see, you just don't hang only one cloth or two clothes or couple of there is you can hang unto 4 or 5 shirts and all. Was this a new thing? No. Was it so important that a person carrying a PhD degree has to do this? No. It is something very new. But yet it is not something that have could not be done by some layman. The another thing is sofa tray. You see, it's a cotton sofa. The handrest is there. Females, ladies, or the people who are very keen about keeping their houses clean. They don't like any spillage of this chai or coffee or anything like that. So they made a small tray like that. It is adaptable. It can be moved here and there. No problem. Another thing is the spill box. Nowadays, even I see it in my house. We are so busy and the situation is like this. Everybody from us, from our house, whether it may be me or my wife or my sister or my father or my mother, everybody is very busy. They make themselves busy so that they don't feel bored. So what happens here is some people have this situation where they have to take medicines now and then, and in that circumstances, if you see that they have to take their medicines which they forget. So there is this pillbox is containing some alarm which gives them the reminder. So see, this is an innovation. This is coming technology. This is something which is coming in future. But does this require anything new? No, just a thought process. Just to innovate. The innovation starts from here, out of the box thinking. This is what is running the mind. The rest of the things are easily available in the market. So moving on to our next slide will be about the Jugaad technology. On Jugaad technology, I wanted to add this particularly because I was very fascinated with it. The reason being is if you see the first Jugadu number one, I hope you are able to see my screen.
Yes,
Jigesh, can
yes,
yes,
yes.
okay.
It is visible.
Okay. The first person he is not having some mirror. So what he is doing, he is using his laptop camera to shave. The other person, he has lost his seat and he is putting a normal chair to sit. The other person wants to make more money in one tour. So he has made some changes in his moped and he is riding that. The another lady she cannot carry such a big bag in her two-wheeler. So what is she is doing? It's a roller bag. She's just dragging it. So do you see these innovations? Does this require anything new? Do they require anything which is so expensive that you cannot imagine? No. But if you see, these all things are copyable. You can in my organization there is a word called copy with pride. So if somebody is doing something very good and you see that, yeah, this is very interesting and we it gives a add-on value, then why not to copy it? And there is nothing bad in copying the thing that is really admirable and you can do it. But you know what? These all the examples that you see are very just thoughtful. They are not something that requires too much of brain. Another one thing which I have hidden right now is something that is very important these days, and it is like this. If you see, this person uh, has made a jugaad thing for checking the patients for this corona. So this is not something, it is not laughable thing. What उसने जो किया है वो ये चीजें हम लोग हमेशा कहते हैं कि this is impossible, we cannot do it, don't have this resources, we don't have this and that. But if you see, this person thought out of the box and he is using it, and it's an example for everybody. Nowadays हम लोग हमेशा बोलते हैं, if you see the newspapers, अगर आप देखोगे हर जगह पे बोलते हैं कि किट्स नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, ये रिसोर्सेज नहीं है, ये पीपीज नहीं है, ये नहीं है. So people just keep on crying. Okay. But this person has thought something different. I don't know how successful he was, but he thought of something. Innovation at the end of the day is not something that goes into practice. It gives you a brain that keeps on working, it keeps on improving, so that at any point of time, you don't just keep it stable. It is not confined. हम लोग सिर्फ और सिर्फ वेब सीरीज या टीवी सीरियल्स या गॉसिप्स इस सब से बाहर निकल के कुछ इनोवेशंस अगर हम लोग करेंगे ना, तो हमारा दिमाग जो है वो कंटिन्यूअसली वर्क करना शुरू करेगा. एंड इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टुडे because many of you here are students. If you don't have those cells in your brain right now, it is not going to help you. As I told, this corona has brought an economic crisis everywhere. So innovation is the one who is going to bring you back into the market. इनोवेशन ऐसी चीज है जिसके अंदर आप लोग वापस मार्केट में आ सकते हो. इंडियन इकोनॉमी कैन बी बूस्टेड. And it is very important right now as a student to accept this thought process. You have to make it. And this is why, if you remember, when you are in college, you are told to make projects. Many of you make this project by yourself, and that is most important. I was referring to a conversation where people used to say that well thought of waste के बहुत स्कूल के अंदर बहुत छोटे छोटे क्लासेस होते हैं, मतलब लेक्चर्स होते हैं जहाँ पर बच्चों को बोला जाता है कि कुछ भी वेस्ट लेके आओ और उससे कुछ अच्छा बनाओ. But unfortunately, what happens is parents do it. But it is not like that. How good your child does is not important. What is important is how creative he is, how innovative he is. Because if he makes something wrong, if he does something wrong, then it is okay. But he has inculcated that cells to think innovatively. That is most important. So this is something like that. At this point of time, at when you are in college, you have to bring up the cells where you think out of the box. You make things out of the box which are innovative. And then once you are in an organization, you may be doing your own business, you may be working for an organization, but it will be a path for you. वो हमेशा आपको आगे लेके जाएगा because you were always the out of box thinker, and it is very important. So next will be a small video. I believe this video was shared by Jigesh to each one of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I will do is I'll just play it. I know we did a trial of this. Some people, we had a feeling that it cannot be very good to play this on Google Meet because थोड़ा slow है, words सुनाई नहीं देते हैं. But still, if you just take a glimpse of it, क्या क्या चीजें हुए हैं उसके ऊपर, वी कैन ऑल्सो डिस्कस ऑन दैट, बिकॉज द रीजन इज बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपने से देखा होगा, लेकिन कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं जो नहीं देख पाए होंगे, सो इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर देम टू सी दिस. Okay,
Okay.
so how was the video quality today, Digesh?
I am not able to hear the volume, and
Okay,
the video was also slow, but maybe the other participants may
must have
be
seen.
able to see.
Yeah.
Then
We did
also I
not,
will
sir.
share the presentation again. Yes.
We did
Sorry.
not hear it, sir.
Okay.
Fine.
Don't worry, I will share the presentation again and this video also with all the participants.
Okay.
Okay. So if you see what he wanted to say is Mr. Narayan. I'll just brief you. What he did was when he went to a restaurant, he ordered for a idli sambar. I'm also a South Indian person, so I also prefer to have a idli sambar in any of the restaurants. Okay, so nothing to laugh about it. But this guy, he was ordering a idli sambar, and what he saw was that when he was asking for that spoon, स्पून के ऊपर उसको थोड़ा ग्रीजीनेस दिखा, उसने उसको निकाल के जस्ट स्मेल किया, स्मेल करते वक्त उसको सांबर का ऑलरेडी स्मेल आया, सो ही थॉट ऑफ अरे बाप रे इतना रीयूजेबिलिटी, फर्स्ट, सेकंड प्लास्टिक, सो हम लोग प्लास्टिक को इतना गाली देते हैं, ओके, इन लेमन्स लैंग्वेज हम लोग इतना गाली देते हैं उसको, लेकिन उसके पास, उसके अलावा हमारे पास कोई भी ऑप्शन है क्या? हम लोगों के पास कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं है, हम लोग वही प्लास्टिक्स वापस यूज कर रहे हैं, वो हमारे घर के लिए हो या कोई भी चीज के लिए। सो दिस जेंटलमैन व्हाट ही डिड वाज, उसने ग्रेन्स जो है, सीरियल्स जो है, उससे रोटी बनाई और उससे उसको स्पून के शेप में कट करके उसे बेक करके उसे यूज करना शुरू किया। So what he is saying is this is already being accepted at some places, but the thing is that it is expensive than plastic. So he says if I get a volume, this started in 2011. So he says that if I get volume, I can go directly to the farmers and I can ask for products, this grains, so that it will be as cheaper as that of the plastic. And when he started, see, this is the innovation. Huh? This is what I wanted to tell you. He said when he started, there was no technology of that kind. They were the first one to make it. So definitely, I don't say that the first time Mr. Narayan tried to do it, he was successful. I don't think so. He must have done it with wheat, rice, पता नहीं किस किस के साथ में किया. And finally, he must have moved into जुआर. कि हाँ चलो जुआर के अंदर. So what I mean to say here is innovation does not gives you first time right. You have to try and try and try, and then you have to get an uh, you know, winning innovative idea or something like that. So basically, this is innovation. This is how innovation works. Okay. So moving on to our next thing now. Okay, ये सारी innovations जितनी भी हम लोगों ने बात की, जो टेक्नोलॉजी की बातें की, वो सब हमारे फील्ड से कहीं ना कहीं बाहर थी। अभी मैं ऐसी इनोवेशंस की बात करूंगा जो मैंने कहीं ना कहीं देखी है, सुनी है। ये सिर्फ 4 मैंने रखी है, इसके अलावा भी कुछ है जो मैं आप लोगों से बात करूंगा। ओके, दिस माइट रिमाइंड यू ऑफ समथिंग दैट यू हैव सीन इट, बिकॉज आई सी, I was told by Jigesh that there are many people who have joined from the industries also, so they must have seen this innovation. So this is just a recall of what I have seen in so many years. Definitely this is not coming from my organization. All the things are not coming from my organization. Some of them I have seen it, I have felt it, I was told, I have read it. The first innovation that I am talking about is tank mixing. Okay, so there is a very big organization in our country which is into refining. So if you see refining के अंदर जो crude oil होता है, they are having different densities. You know, there are many types of crude oils. It is not something A quality, B quality, C quality. ऐसा अलग अलग चीजें होती है. Consistency नहीं होता उसके अंदर. So ये quality of crude जब आता है, तो उसके अंदर densities के अंदर difference होता है, specifications के अंदर difference होता है. बहुत ऐसी चीजें होती है जिसके अंदर differences होता है. सो ये रिफाइनिंग के अंदर क्या होता है कि पाइपलाइंस होती है, पाइपलाइंस के अंदर सिर्फ एक वेसल होता है, वेसल के अंदर उसको क्रूड्स को रिसीव किया जाता है एंड वहां से फिर उसको प्री हीट करके धीरे धीरे करके रिफाइनिंग कॉलम्स के अंदर भेजा जाता है. सो इमेजिन यू सेट सम पैरामीटर्स बेस्ड ऑन द क्रूड दैट यू हैव रिसीव्ड, बिकॉज उसको एनालाइज करते हैं, एनालाइज करने के बाद में उसके अंदर से कुछ वैल्यूज मिलती है, उसके हिसाब से आप रिफाइनिंग कॉलम्स को फाइन ट्यून करते हो एंड वो फाइन ट्यूनिंग हर थोड़ी थोड़ी देर के अंदर हर इटरेशंस के ऊपर चेंज होता जा रहा है, बिकॉज आपका क्रूड का क्वालिटी डिफरेंट हो रहा है. सो दिस वाज समथिंग पीपल वर वरीड कि अरे यार हर बार चेंज करना पड़ता है, हर बार देयर इज सम यील्ड लॉस. सो डेफिनेटली आई वांट अ यूनिफॉर्म मिक्सचर, एंड व्हेन आई वांट अ यूनिफॉर्म मिक्सचर देन पीपल वुड से कि बिकॉज व्हाई डोंट यू पुट एन एजिटेटर. बट व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट a flammable substances, there is something called X zone, explosive zone. So designing the explosive zone is a very expensive thing, tedious thing, and many other things are relevant to that. So what these people did, if you see this drawing, this is a centrifugal fluid dynamics drawing of a tank. What they did was the entry जहां पर टैंक के अंदर एंट्री होती है वहां पर 3 एंट्रीज कर दी है, 3 से 4 एंट्रीज कर दी, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द हाइट ऑफ द टैंक। तो जब वो टैंक जो है, if it is circular like this, they are giving an entry like this. This is called tangential entry. Many of you must be aware about it. So they gave this tangential entry. So क्या होता है जब fluid enter करता है टैंक के अंदर, so there is some velocity. This velocity is used to create a turbulence inside the tank, and this tank, because of this turbulence, is getting some amount of mixing. Wasn't this an innovative idea? Wasn't this, does it require too much of a thought process? No. It was something very simple, very inexpensive. Definitely एक मोटर जो अगर हम लोग लेके आ रहे हैं, Jigesh, I'm hearing a disturbance of audio. Can you mute everybody?
Yes, I think everybody is mute. Let me
Okay,
check.
okay, fine. So moving on. So when we are talking about agitator and all, you have to understand there is some people maybe here from a mechanical or some industries we who are understanding this. सिंगल मैकेनिकल सील चाहिए, डबल मैकेनिकल सील चाहिए, ड्राई मैकेनिकल सील चाहिए, एजिटेटर किस तरह का होना चाहिए, क्या होना चाहिए. So these are many thought processes that are coming into the picture. But this is a simpler idea. Another more simpler than this will be this. The other thing is which I call it as a bolt holder. So बहुत organizations में कैसा होता है कि हम लोग वेसल्स जो होते हैं, वेसल्स के जो टॉप्स होते हैं ना, डोम्स जो होते हैं, उसको हम लोग ग्रेटिंग्स के अंदर रखते हैं, बिकॉज क्लीनिंग के लिए या प्रोजेक्ट को सस्ता करने के लिए बहुत सारे ऐसे थॉट प्रोसेसेस होते हैं जिसकी वजह से ग्रेटिंग्स पर रखते हैं. ग्रेटिंग्स हम सब लोग जानते हैं, ग्रिल्स. तो क्या होता है आपके टॉप के अंदर जो नोजल्स होते हैं या मैनहोल्स होते हैं, उसको आप खोलते हो तो आप उसके जो नट्स है और बोल्ट्स है उसको साइड पे रखो, और अगर वहां से वो स्लिप हो गया तो वो सीधा नीचे जाके गिरेगा, बिकॉज ग्रेटिंग्स जो है वो बहुत ओपन होते हैं. इट इज नॉट समथिंग दैट इतने छोटे छोटे ग्रेटिंग्स नहीं होते. सो हेलो.
Yes, yes.
ओके. सो ये ग्रेटिंग्स से पास ऑन होके नीचे तक जाता है, ठीक है. सो नाउ व्हाट दीज पीपल डू, दिस वाज अ टेक्नीशियन हु ब्रॉट दिस आइडिया. ही कट अ प्लेट, ठीक है. एक प्लेट को उसने एजिटेटर के साइज का साइड में उसको वेल्ड किया, प्लेट को कट किया, उसके अंदर होल्स डाले जिसके अंदर ये बोल्ट्स जा सके. इमीडिएटली जब भी वो नट या बोल्ट खोलता है, जैसे खोलता है उसे वहां पर वो इस ट्रे के अंदर फिट कर देता है. सो नाउ द हैजार्ड इज रिड्यूस्ड. नीचे गिरने के चांसेस नहीं है. So this is innovative idea. What is the cost? Not even 10,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees. In a big industries, 5,000 rupees is nothing. Another thing, magnetic hopper. This was told by one of my mentors. एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन था, उसके अंदर हमेशा का एक प्रॉब्लम रहता था. वो प्रॉब्लम था कि छोटे छोटे कार्बोइज आते थे, कार्बोइज मेटेलिक होते थे, उसके ढक्कन जो होते थे वो मेटेलिक होते थे. तो जो लेबर्स होते थे वो उसको जस्ट ऐसे पिंच करते थे और उंडेल देते थे. तो कई बार क्या होता था, वो जो ढक्कन जो होते थे ना, वो ढक्कन वेसल के अंदर गिर जाता. सो हमेशा इसकी वजह से कुछ ना कुछ डाउन टाइम आता था, एंड दिस वाज लाइक अ बॉटलनेक फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. लोगों ने सोचना शुरू किया, अरे यार ये क्या होगा, इसका क्या सोल्यूशन होगा. सो अ टेक्नीशियन अगेन सेड दैट, सर व्हाई कांट वी पुट अ मैग्नेटिक हॉपर हियर. सो अगर जैसे ही अगर कोई ढक्कन पास ऑन होगा, इट विल बी स्टक इनटू दिस हॉपर एंड ओनली लिक्विड विल पास ऑन फ्रॉम दिस. दिस वाज इनोवेटिव आइडिया. And you know what? People who implemented this, people who told this as an innovative idea, both of them got promotion. This was not something very different. Another thing, this is very close to my heart. See, polymers जो होते हैं ना, polymers have a property of getting adhesion. चिपकने के लिए ही हम लोग उसे कुछ बनाते हैं. कुछ polymers ऐसे होते हैं. तो अभी इमेजिन करो कहीं से ड्रिपिंग हुआ, कहीं से कुछ भी हो गया, तो पाइपलाइंस के ऊपर ये ड्रिप होके एक लेयर बना. So one of our operator told me that why can't we use a sink wrap? Sink wrap आपने देखा होगा, ये हम लोग बॉक्सेस के ऊपर लगाते हैं. तो दिस इज अ सिंक रैप. तो उसको उसने क्या किया, पाइपलाइन के ऊपर रैप कर दिया. एंड जब भी कुछ भी होता था, एवरी ड्यूरेशन के अंदर 5 दिन, 6 दिन, 7 दिन, जब उसे लगता है कि हाँ मुझे इसे चेंज करना, वो स्लाइटली एक तरह से टीयर करेगा हाथ से ही, एंड फिर उसको चेंज निकाल देगा, फेंक देगा. द पाइप इज क्लीन. अगेन वो उसके ऊपर एक रैपिंग करेगा. वेरी कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव. वरना मुझे क्या करना पड़ता है, एक स्पेशली लेबर को लेके आना पड़ता है, उसको बोलना पड़ता है अरे भैया तो इसको स्क्रैप करने के बाद भी इतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी नहीं मिलती, उसको मुझे पेंट करना पड़ता है. So there are many things that are very sensitive, very easy, but how you implement is very important. But when we are now coming towards the end of our presentation, I was just looking at my time. Okay, so always remember one thing, guys. When we are talking about innovation, you have to understand the difference between an innovative idea and a stupid idea. This is very abrupt word, a stupid idea. Why I am telling you this? Somebody says that I want to handle sulfuric acid and मेरे पास gloves नहीं है तो मैं cotton के कपड़े से करता हूँ. So this is not an innovative idea. This is a stupid idea. Don't do it ever. So you have to make that difference between a stupid idea and an innovative idea. I have given you enough examples of innovative ideas, but stupid ideas you have to judge it. Specifically, a rule of thumb is when it comes to safety, go for 100 thoughts, 1,000 thoughts, talk to 10 people who are well versed in that, who have that experience themselves. जिसने वो काम किया है उसको जाके पूछो कि ये कर सकते हैं when it comes to safety. The other thing is what you will lose some money, but but if you do some stupid idea, it is going to cost you somebody's life. There are many examples. If you see the Bhopal gas tragedy, if we are talking about, they said it was an innovative idea, but it was not an innovative idea. It was a stupid idea that they did. There was a close barricade between the multiple tanks. They joined it to increase the capacity. It was a stupid idea. It was not an innovative idea. So you always have to judge this. This is a stupid idea or this is an innovative idea. It is most important. If you don't do that, you will be left somewhere where you cannot come back, and it is going to be a black mark. See, always मेरे जो प्रोफेसर थे डिप्लोमा के अंदर डॉक्टर परिमल पटेल, he always used to tell us that जो टॉपर स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं ना, they are almost तलवार की धार पे होते हैं. Why? If they do something good, they are able to work on it, and if they do something wrong, they are going to slip and they are going to be cut. So innovative ideas are also like that only. You have to be smart. You have to think 100 times ahead of it. Okay. So please, based on this discussion or the presentation we are having, please don't forget to differentiate between a innovative idea and a stupid idea. Okay. Moving on to the second last slide. So now we are talking about how, as an organization, we can improvise a culture of innovation. Okay. So 3M is an organization that we were talking about. Sticky notes का example हम लोगों ने दिया. This is not only one thing है. आप Google पे जाइए और जाके check कीजिए 3M ने क्या क्या innovations दिखाए. But they are having their mantras. They are having their rules. First, dedicated R&D for long-term development. Second, apply and open and use open innovation. Foster a culture of innovation by allowing team members to take risk in a protected environment. रिस्क तो मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ कि मतलब मैं हवा में ब्यूटाडाइन छोड़ दूँ, ये भी मैं रिस्क ले सकता हूँ, ये भी एक इनोवेटिव आइडिया है. बट इज इट रियली वायबल? इज इट रिस्की? ये सारी चीजें. सो दिस इज व्हाट अ प्रोटेक्टेड एनवायरनमेंट सेज. Reward and encourage creativity. An organization should do this. Many of you must be going into your parents' business. So you have to create a culture where people can think about innovation. It should not be मैंने बोला वही करना है. It should be please come up with the ideas. Please go for innovation. The another thing is implement and nurture all the 10 imperative rules of Robert's rule. Robert was one of the key members of the innovation team. He had made a 10 rules. So if you go on Google, you can just see how this 3M culture works. Another very innovative company these days we call is Google itself. So what they say is innovation comes from anywhere. It is not something that office के अंदर ही आपको अच्छे ideas आएंगे. You can be sipping a tea in your house and you might get an innovative idea. So you have to address it. You have to keep it. Another, focus on the user. User को क्या चाहिए? 10 times better सोचो. ठीक है? Beat a technical insight. Ship and iterate. How does this mean? मेरे पास again going back to this technology of BlackBerry. ब्लैकबेरी की इतनी रोबोस्ट सिस्टम्स हैं कि मैं सिर्फ कम से कम 5 साल से यूज कर रहा हूँ इस फोन को। इसके अंदर सिर्फ 2 अपडेट्स आए अभी तक मैंने जो देखा। एक जैसे लिया था वो एक आया था, उसके बाद में एक और आया था। आप गूगल का कोई भी ओएस देख लो, इवन 9th वर्जन पे देखोगे, अभी भी वो उसको इम्प्रोवाइज करते जा रहे हैं। So what they say is, don't improvise too much and then do you release. You release it once you think that it is releasable, and then let viewers come with a solution, with an idea to improvise it, and then you just improve the things. तो इसलिए गूगल के हर फोन के ऊपर, एंड्रॉइड के हर फोन में आप अगर देखोगे तो बार बार अपडेट्स आते रहते हैं। हाँ, ठीक है। सो दीज आर अदर रूल्स लाइक फेल वेल। अगर हम फेल हुए, अगर आज मैं फेल होता हूं, देन इट शुड बी रिटर्न डाउन समवेयर। आई शुड लर्न फ्रॉम इट। इट शुड नॉट बी मैंने ये मिस्टेक किया और मेरे पीछे आज जिगेश वही एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, तो वो भी फेल होने का हम लोग इंतजार करें एज ए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। नो, it should be written down somewhere that I made a mistake, this was why my learning, so people don't fail the same thing. It should be very creative. Okay, so have a mission that matters. This was about the ideas or the thoughts what organizations have to say. So by this we are coming to my last slide, that is any questions. I think I took 55 minutes, I'm really sorry. 50 minutes in fact. We
Yes.
started at 11:05. So the forum is
Okay,
open.
yes,
Yeah.
I request the participants, those who want to ask thing, you can ask by unmute your mic. I think Jarvik Munsi has asked something. Mr. Vikas, you can see the message portal where some of the participants will try to ask the question on message.
Okay. Yes. I have received one message. It was a nice presentation. Thank you. Thank you, Jarvik. And I do agree. Whenever you are thinking something new or innovative idea, first we think about safety. Thank you. It's Dr. Falguni saying very good presentation. Thank you, madam. Any questions? I was expecting some.
Participant who want to ask the questions, you can unmute and ask directly to Mr. Vikas. No problem.
Thanks, Divya. I wanted to ask how does leadership affect innovation? Divya, um, leadership is very important. You know, we have you were with me when you were under internship, so you have felt that system where you allow the people to think out of the box. It has, you have to create a culture where people think that हाँ मुझे ये चीज करनी है तो मुझे मैं जाके मेरे बॉस को कभी भी बता सकता हूँ। ठीक है। इट शुड नॉट बी समथिंग लाइक क्या, हाँ यार तुमने कुछ गलती कर दी तो तुम्हें योर शॉट, ऐसा नहीं। You should always create a culture where people are feeling that confidence can, okay, I can go to my boss and say that I think about this is an innovative idea, I want to do this. So this comes from a leadership, it is coming from a top driven, it is not from bottom driven. If you don't give that culture to the people who are doing this, okay, so you cannot expect that they are doing it in a right way. So it is something, as an organization, as a leader who is coming from the top, he has to move this innovative thinking culture. I hope I have answered your question, Devi. Anand Maitre sir, very good morning. I have left with 3 minutes. Very happy to
Sir.
see you.
Sir,
Yeah, please tell me, sir.
uh, we have ideas, okay,
Okay.
but due to less confidence, like sometimes, how do we start doing implementation? There is a specific structure on how you do your progress. First, you research, and then. So, how do we start? We got an idea, but
Hmm.
we don't know if it will work or not. So when
Okay.
should we think that it is good to start implement now?
Okay. Sir, can I get your name, sir? so that I can address you?
Dhruv, I think
Dhruv
Dhruv is
Wagadia.
Dhruv
Okay.
is a student.
Yeah.
Dhruv
Okay.
Wagadia. Okay.
Through it is something like this, beta. When you have got an idea, okay,
Yeah.
first and the foremost thing you have to learn is never to be dependent on somebody.
Okay.
First and the most important thing. If you feel you are having some innovative idea, don't be dependent on somebody. Definitely there will be a crisis moment that you always feel आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि मुझे ये चीज नहीं आती है. Learn it.
Okay.
It is not something that you have to be dependent कि हाँ मेरा फ्रेंड आएगा मुझे बताएगा या मेरा टीचर आएगा मुझे बताएगा. Because अभी ये एज है, ये जनरेशन है ना, जहां पर अगर आप एक चीज और सीखोगे ना तो वो आपको ही काम आएगा. If you see, if I'm telling you, I am thinking right now, कि मुझे प्लांटेशंस में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है. सो व्हाट आई वाज, मैं हमेशा से सोच रहा था कि यार मुझे, मैं अभी पिछले
Okay.
1.5 महीने से घर पे हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लॉकडाउन. तो मैं मेरे टेरेस के ऊपर एक छोटा सा गार्डन बनाया है जिसमें हम लोग हमेशा पानी डालते हैं. मैं हूँ, मेरी वाइफ है, मेरी मदर है. बट एक बार मैं ऑफिस जाना शुरू कर दूंगा तो ये सारी चीजें, पानी डालना रेगुलरली, वो सब रह जाएगी. सो नाउ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज वी आर थिंकिंग ऑफ अ ऑटोमेशन सिस्टम जहाँ पे एक पंप रहेगा, एवरी 6:30 को वो अपने आप शुरू हो जाएगा. एक ड्रिपर सिस्टम हम लोग लगाएंगे, उसके अंदर खुद से चालू होगा. नाउ आई एम अ केमिकल इंजीनियर बॉस. हाउ डू आई नो दिस? मैं कैसे करूँ ये सारी चीजें? आई हैव टू लर्न इट. And now, at this point of time, where there is so much technological development, you can learn this on YouTube also. YouTube के ऊपर आप सिर्फ Google करो, टाइमर डालना है, मेरे को पंप लगाना है. Everything is available on Google. You can get it. You can learn it. We are doing it. Many things we are doing from the Google. Okay. So learn it. And second thing, जितना आप करोगे खुद से अपने आप पे, उतना आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप होगा. देखो, आज अगर मैं ये प्रेजेंटेशन आपके सामने, अगर आपको लगता है मैंने कॉन्फिडेंटली दिया है, तो उसका रीजन है क्योंकि मैंने उसका प्रैक्टिस किया. यस्टरडे वी स्लेप्ट एट 12:30. मी एंड माय वाइफ वी वर प्रिपेयरिंग. हम लोग टाइम रन ले रहे थे, कितना मिनट लगता है, कैसा होता है. शी टॉट मी. मेरा, मैं कल सिर्फ इंग्लिश में बात कर रहा था तो उसने बोला कि यार प्लीज ब्लेंड इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी एज वेल. So these all things matters and this gives you a confidence. Unless you do it, you will never get this confidence. So you have to try it by yourself.
Okay, sir.
Have I answered your question, Dhruv?
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Thank you.
There are some more questions on the message.
Okay, so Prant is saying that
Prant?
any innovation for a hardly
Hello,
hazard
Vikas.
substance. Yes.
Yogesh Rotliwala here.
Oh, hello,
Yes, sir.
sir. How are you?
बस एकदम बढ़िया.
Really surprising for me to have you. For people who don't know, when I was doing my diploma, Yogesh Totliwala sir was my HOD.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. बोलिए.
Very good. Feeling very much happy to hear you. और मतलब काफी इंस्पिरेशन आज मिल रहा है with this innovation kind of the examples.
Yes.
I just would like to share one example of Nike shoes
Yes.
in the area of the innovation.
Okay.
Nike shoes US ब्रांड है.
हाँ.
और वो जो फाउंडर मेंबर जो है उसके प्रोफेसर जो है वो फुटबॉल कोच थे.
Okay.
And the founder member was used to play football, and he started business of shoes. And now it is the Nike brand, the world's famous brand.
Yes, very true.
The professor and the students can do such kind of the innovation. I just wanted to share it.
Yes, true. In fact, when I remember very vividly that when I was doing my diploma, Rotliwala sir was guiding me. In fact, we were working on biodiesel
Yes,
innovation.
Yes.
Thank you very much, sir. That brought in that value of innovation in me at that time
Yes.
also.
God bless you.
Thank you very much, sir. Anyone else?
Okay, there are some questions on message.
Hardly hazardous substance storage, like if any spark, not boom all capacity. Prant, are you there? Mr. Prant Kacharia.
He must have left the.
Okay, fine. He has a question. Any innovation of hardly hazard substances storage, like if any spark, not boom, all capacity. This is a tricky question because I also not understood what it means. That so I wanted to clarify this question first. No problem. Maybe we will have another opportunity. I have left my email address in the
हेलो हेलो
presentation. We can. Yes.
सर, मुझे ये जानना है कि एक स्पार्क से पूरा केमिकल का जो रॉ मटेरियल होता है वो जल जाता है। तो ऐसी कोई टेक्नोलॉजी है जो जिससे हम रॉ मटेरियल को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करें और बचा हुआ का वो उसे रीयूज कर सके।
Okay. Prant, first and the foremost thing, thank you very much. It was a very wonderful question. Can I know you are a student or you are working in an organization?
I am a chemical engineering from DDIT, Dharamshi Desai University,
Okay. And
studying
which year you are?
third year.
Third year. Okay. Okay. Prant, it is something like this. See, when there is a flame or a fire, it is always on the surface. Okay. Now, if I have to answer your questions just impress you, I could have said that ऊपर के लेवल के ऊपर ही हमेशा आग लगती है। नीचे के जो लेवल्स होते हैं ना, उसके अंदर जब हमारा जो बॉटम वॉल्स वगैरह होते हैं ना, वो सबसे नीचे वाले सरफेसेस पे ही होते हैं जब व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट लिक्विड्स। ओके, सो अगर ऊपर सरफेस पे आग लगी है और नीचे से अगर आप ट्रांसफर कर देते हो, इफ देयर इज ऑटोमेशन, देन यू कैन सेव सम अमाउंट ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल। ओके, बट नाउ गोइंग टू द प्रैक्टिकलिटी, जब ऐसा हैजार्ड होगा, ऐसी आग लगेगी ना, द फर्स्ट थिंग विल बी people will run away. Okay, because there are some catastrophic situations where people cannot think of this situation. हम लोग सुपरफिशियली यहाँ पर बैठ के हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि मतलब इस तरह की आग लगी है, लेकिन वो सिचुएशन जो होती है ना जहाँ पर आग लगती है, इट इज ऑलवेज टू काइंड ऑफ रिस्क। वन इज दैट कि जब आग लगती है तो ऊपर के सरफेस पे आग लगी है, हम लोग किस लेवल तक उसे ट्रांसफर करेंगे, दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट। द सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि मतलब इस रियली मुझे बचाना है या मुझे लोगों की जान बचाना है, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वेरी गुड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल ऑलवेज से दैट क्या हमें सबसे पहले अपनी जान बचानी है, मटेरियल तो आता जाता रहेगा। ठीक है, अनदर थिंग इज ऑलवेज टू रिमेंबर दैट very good tanks, very good system of fire and safety will always have a foam pourer system. Okay, now this foam pourer system will just pour some flame. So अगर ये सरफेस के ऊपर आग लग रही है एंड यहाँ से मैं फोम पोर करता हूँ, तो ये ऊपर एक ब्लैंकेटिंग होगा, सो दिस विल क्रिएट अ स्टारवेशन। अ टैंक इज जस्ट लाइक दिस, एंड यहाँ पर ऊपर उसको मैंने ऑक्सीजन के साथ में एयर उसकी कट कर दी। सो नाउ बिलो दिस देयर विल बी सम अमाउंट दैट कैन बी सेव्ड, बट डिपेंड्स हाउ रियली डू यू थिंक दैट इट इज reusable. That's it. Have I
Sir,
answered your
maybe
question? Yeah, tell me.
Sir, maybe in between two tanks, we create a one tunnel and we put a water on this, so we stop the fire from reaching to second tank, and we gain some amount of raw material.
Okay, this was a very fantastic idea. But let me tell you, when we are talking about uh, fire in an organic components, you cannot add water. If you add water, you are just creating a surface which will go down in terms of density. Many of the organics will never be extinguished by fire, by water. Okay, so if you are adding water, it will go down, settle down, and then the top surface of the liquid will come up. So this is why this is practically very difficult. However, if you are talking about some chemicals, organic chemicals like acetone, isopropyl alcohol, or something like that, which are soluble in water, then yes, this kind of thought process is uh, okay. I would say this is not going to totally diminish your thought, but yes, it can be useful. But if you see, it is not. To be honest, how, as a person who is owning this industry, if you are owning an industry, you would always say कि मेरे टैंक के अंदर लेवल 50% है और उसका मेरा जो कॉस्ट है दिस विल बी ओनली 50 lakhs. And if I want to create this tanks, this entire system, then it is too expensive for me. जितने भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के अंदर कई बार क्या होता है कि जो फायर एंड गैस सिस्टम जो लगाते हैं, गैस एफएनजी जिसे कहते हैं, they are mandatory because of the local rules, GIDC, GPCB, this and that. As an organization, because you are in the business to make money, you're not here to save the culture, environment and all. So definitely at some point of time, it is very expensive for you to put these systems. So then you have to understand, you have to make an understanding, this is to be done or this is not to be done. So that is why there are many innovations, there are many thought processes, but then you have to understand that do I really want to do this? What is the amount of things that I'm putting in? Because when we are talking into financial terms, we'll always say, अगर मैं 10 करोड़ का एक टैंक लगाता हूँ, तो उसका जो पे बैक पीरियड है मेरे को 10 years तक उसका depreciation लगता रहेगा 10 years तक. So just imagine this is a fixed cost that you have added into a company's head. So do you really think 10 साल के अंदर अगर ये आग नहीं लगी, then it is your, I should not say it's a waste, but it is not, it is something that you could have avoided it. You can have added something different. In 10 years के अंदर तो technology कितनी अंदर से ही अपने आप में change हो जाएगी. Have I answered your question now?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
Henrik, Mr.
Yes.
Henrik from GSET right now, professor in chemical department, has some question on the message.
Good presentation, sir. Thank you very much, sir. But my question, in the field of chemical engineering, where each and everything must be properly calculated for new change, that what the generalized then what the generalized approach for large number of companies to accept that new change? Okay, Mr. Eric, first and the foremost thing, that when an organization is moving, bringing a change, then there are sorry.
Yes. Continue, sir.
Okay. So when they are doing a big organizations like multinationals or very good organizations, I don't know, I cannot spell the name of some organization because I had this experience with very few organizations. So they have they have some department called process safety department. Okay. Now this process safety department manages these changes, and when they are managing these changes, they are having something called management of change process. When you are implementing something like my organization, even if few days before we were having a supplier for acrylic acid and now we are introducing a new supplier of acrylic acid, okay, so we raised in management of change process to understand that this acrylic acid that we are receiving right now and this new one, is there, are they really identically same or not? Okay, so this is something, just as a crude example, but if you want to change, like some organization would say I am having a acrylonitrile storage tank of 1500 meter cube, I want to expand it, मैं 2500 मीटर का रखना चाहता हूँ. So there is always a risk associated which is covered into management of change process.
Okay.
So for this, it cannot be generalized because the hazard which UPL is handling right now will not be same as BASF is handling right now. Okay? So there is always a experienced people who are working in this. So process safety department एक ऐसा department होता है जिसके अंदर जो लोग product में पहले प्रोडक्शन में काम कर चुके हैं, उन लोगों को बहुत इनफ ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस हो चुका है, अलग अलग चेंजेस वो लोग जानते हैं, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज जानते हैं, सब कुछ जानते हैं, एंड देन दे आर मूव्ड इनटू अ प्रोसेस रोल where they make the changes and they implement these changes, because there are some organizations who are into selling of specialty products. Some of them are commodity products. So specialty वाले जहां पर होते हैं ना, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट्स आते रहते हैं और उतने वैसे वैसे चेंजेस आते हैं, तो इसलिए वहां पर एक प्रोसेस सेफ्टी डिपार्टमेंट अलग से ही होता है जो ये सारे सिस्टम्स को कैलकुलेट करता है, चेक करता है हर रिस्क को, एंड देन वो इम्प्लीमेंट करता है.
So the process is different to product and company to company.
Yes.
Okay.
there may be some raw material or a product which UPL is manufacturing, the same thing is manufactured by Rallis,
Hmm.
then there it will be the same thing. Like in
Okay.
my case, the department where I'm working is dispersions. So
Okay.
our competitor is Dow.
Hmm.
Our competitor is Synthomar. So there the technologies will be same because the raw materials are same.
Okay.
So if somebody
Okay.
says that what they are using is not implemented here, then there might be a difference.
Okay. Thank you.
Have I answered your question, Eric?
Yes. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Mr.
Okay.
Vikas, last two messages you can read and give the answers.
Okay. Mr. Moin says innovation can be a patent always. Moin, are you there? Sorry, Mohsin, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mohsin, um, I'll
Yes, sir.
show
I am
you an
audible.
innovation. Can you see me right now?
Uh, Wait a minute. I have to just pin you. Wait a minute, sir.
Just pin on that. You will be able to see the expert.
Sir, you are not visible. Your photo is only visible. Your video is
Okay.
off.
So you are having a delay in this process. Okay. What I want
Okay.
to show you, just a minute. Just a minute.
I can see your presentation.
Okay, just click on the another name.
Sorry, I am back.
One is Vikas Fernandez, second is Vikas Fernandez presentation. So click on Vikas Fernandez only. You may be able to see his video.
Yeah. Now, sir, you are visible.
Okay. You can see me, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you see this?
Yeah.
What is this?
It's something like a flower pot.
Okay. So if you see this is a cargo denim का परफ्यूम का बॉटल है.
Yeah.
उसको मैंने सिर्फ यहाँ से ऊपर से कट किया, निकाल दिया, उसका
Okay.
जो पंप है उसको निकाला. उसके अंदर मैंने एक ये डेविल्स आईवी बोलते हैं और हिंदी में हमारे यहाँ पर इसको कहा जाता है मनी प्लांट. मुझे अच्छा
Yes, sir.
लगता है, मेरे घर के अंदर एयर प्योरीफायर है, इसलिए मैंने ऐसे
Yeah.
छोटे छोटे बॉटल्स के अंदर ये डाला. डू यू थिंक दिस इज अ इनोवेटिव आइडिया?
Yes, definitely, sir.
कैन आई पेटेंट इट?
No.
So I have answered your question.
Yeah, but if it is going with money, then it is wrong.
Yes.
I can give an example also.
Hmm.
Nowadays, each and every people is focusing on the face shield in COVID-19 face shield.
Okay.
Okay, it is
Okay.
prepared with the help of 3D printing, but
Okay.
the person who had invented it is not having a single rupee with him. But all the
Okay.
other industries, all the other owners who are having 3D printers, they are just selling it around 150 rupees on piece. That's why I was asking, sir.
Yes, definitely. Mr. Mohsin, can I ask you, you're a student or a
Sir, I am a
professional?
faculty. I am faculty.
Faculty where, sir?
Parul University, Baroda, sir.
Okay. So, Mr. Mohsin, it is something like this. I totally agree with you. Some innovations are asking money because they are something that can be copied. People want
Yes,
to
sir.
use it. Like if
Yes.
I tell you an example of BASF, I think they were the one who started the ammonia process in bulk. Okay.
Okay.
So it was way forward in 19th century. They were having this
Yes, sir.
अमोनिया वो खुद बनाते थे हाई प्रेशर प्रोसेस से. ठीक है. उन्होंने बनाना शुरू किया, सब लोगों ने उसे कॉपी किया, फिर धीरे धीरे वो इम्प्लीमेंट हो गया. सो नाउ दिट वाज एन इनोवेशन व्हिच वाज पेटेंटेड. Okay. So they were following it.
Yes.
Everybody, the entire world was following it. And then at some point of time, ये बहुत expensive हुआ because it's a high pressure process. The thickness of the pipe is too much. The reactor thickness is too much. Autoclave का बहुत specific design है. फिर उसके अंदर इम्प्रूवमेंट्स आते गए और एक जमाना आया जब ये सिर्फ खुद सस्ते वाले टेक्नोलॉजी पे गया, saying that the other technology which was developed afterwards is more promising. So it is not something like that innovations are मतलब patents जो है वो immediately टूटेंगे, खुलेंगे, बनेंगे, ऐसा नहीं है. It is
Yes, sir.
something that आज मैं ये जो मैंने आपको बताया, कल आप मुझे if we are in touch, you say that हाँ because I have made this differently, then I can move on to your thought process. क्या हाँ यार मैं इसके अंदर मिट्टी डाल के और अच्छा हो सकता है. So
Yes, sir.
innovation are like that only. It is always copyable. But the thing is that if you feel you want to make it innovation, as an patent, then it is up to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so next is Divya.
Yes. Hello, sir.
Okay,
You share a last message.
Okay, can you share a specific innovation strategy you have recently encountered which you find
compelling. Divya, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ, जरा explain करना यार question को.
मतलब आपने कोई इनोवेशन प्लांट में किया हो जो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा हो?
Okay, मैं एक innovation की बात करता हूँ because I am also responsible for process optimization. You know that.
Yes, sir.
Operational excellence. So after you went away, उसके बाद में I took a responsibility of production. So what I
Yes.
was told is that we are having this limited capacity. The product mix is like that only. So you have to come out with an opinion or an idea where you can use the same capacity, but you have to increase the productivity. So it was very different for me. It was a challenging thought for me. So what I did was I analyzed the data. If particular X batch की अगर मैं बात करता हूँ, तो somebody is making this in 4 hours, somebody is making the same batch in 4 hours 10 minutes, somebody is doing this in 4 hours 15 minutes. Okay,
Yes.
so now this was very challenging for me to how to compile people. So we were discussing about it. My site director was there, my plant manager was there, a very new joinee was there. So we were talking about it, how we can uh, motivate people to follow one line, how to give them a new strategy, a new give them a new thought process. So what we did is, my site director recommended me, let's make a board विकास. बोर्ड के ऊपर हम लोग हर बैच का टाइम लिखते जाए. फिर हम लोगों ने क्या उनको मोटिवेशन दिया कि यार देखो एक काम करते हैं, 4 hours हमारा आइडल साइकिल टाइम है, इट इज अ गोल्डन साइकिल टाइम. अगर उससे नीचे अगर किसी ने किया और नया अगर सेट किया साइकिल टाइम के लिए, we will recognize them. We will give something which is a reminder, souvenir की तरह. And then within 1 month, you just imagine 10 minutes, 5 minutes also, 10 minutes in each batch. We make 200 batches, so which is 2000 minutes. 2000 minutes into so many years. 4 घंटे का अगर बैच है तो कितना एडिशनल बैचेस हुए. 2 मिनट 10 मिनट भी
Yes.
कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है समझो. तो हम लोगों ने उनको बोला कि यार हम लोग आपको नॉमिनेट करेंगे, एनकरेज करेंगे, आपको कुछ गिफ्ट देंगे.
Hmm.
अनबिलीवेबल, सितंबर 2019 वी हिट अ न्यू टारगेट. सिर्फ क्या किया, एक बोर्ड लगाया, लोगों को नॉमिनेट
Yes.
किया और उनको बोला कि भैया तुमको इससे छोटा साइकिल टाइम लाके देना है. इनफैक्ट 4 आवर्स से भी कम साइकिल टाइम लेके आए कुछ लोग.
Wow.
व्हाट वाज दैट? इट वाज जस्ट अ स्मॉल इनोवेशन ऑफ थॉट. वी डिस्कस्ड इट कि हम लोग ऐसा कुछ करेंगे, लोगों को मोटिवेट करेंगे, एंड इट क्लिक. सो
उनको
बाय
सोचने के
दैट,
लिए मजबूर किया.
सॉरी,
उनको सोचने के लिए मजबूर किया कि आप भी कुछ
उनको,
सोचिए नया.
हाँ उनको सोचने के लिए मजबूर किया. उन लोगों ने चीजों को एट्रिशंस के अंदर लगाना शुरू किया. मतलब अगर मुझे इसके बाद में ये पंपिंग करना है तो पहले मैं लाके रख दूंगा, रेडी करके रख दूंगा सब कुछ. मैं इमीडिएटली जाना, जैसे वो एक्टिविटी, ये स्टेप खत्म होता है, दूसरा स्टेप मुझे करना है तो इमीडिएटली मैं चालू करूंगा. So people started doing that. In fact, there were so much of innovations driven from this. 2 इंच का पंप था, एयर ऑपरेटेड पंप था. मेरे पास एक ऑपरेटर आया, बोला कि विकास भाई ये 2 इंच का पंप के अंदर हम लोग जब करते हैं तो 15 मिनट लगती है. अगर मैं उसका एक ट्रायल लिया है, ये 2 इंच के पंप के अंदर जो सक्शन है वो 1 इंच का है, तो मुझे 15 मिनट लग रही है ये क्वांटिटी फीड करने के लिए. मैं अगर 2 इंच का करता हूँ तो मेरे पास 7 मिनट में हो जाता है, तो 8 मिनट हम लोग बचा रहे हैं. विकास भाई कर दूं क्या? एंड वी वर लाइक ओके चलो, ऑर्डर द हॉर्सेस, ऑर्डर द लांसेस, जस्ट पुट इट.
Hmm.
हम लोगों ने लगाना शुरू किया एंड अब्रप्टली ये देखना शुरू करो, पीपल आर थिंकिंग इन अ वे दैट इट इज ड्राइविंग टू मच ऑफ इनोवेशन, इट इज ड्राइविंग टू
Yeah.
मच ऑफ थॉट्स. तो ऐसे करते 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 सितंबर वाज टोटली, द टॉप मैनेजमेंट वाज सरप्राइज, हाउ डिड यू डू दैट?
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
there
so
is no question, but I request any of the participant who can give some feedback for this session. Voluntarily, anyone can unmute and give some feedback to this session. We are having some senior faculties even and some students also. Okay, sir, Sanjeev Dharwarkar, sir, Vikas sir.
Yeah.
Sir is having utmost
Vikash,
more than 40 years.
Oh,
ha,
yes. Good afternoon,
yeah,
sir.
Vikash, I think it
Yes.
was a pleasure. Uh, Vikash, it was really pleasure to listen to you. It was pleasure listening to you. And
Okay,
I
sir.
think what I liked most was the examples that you gave and the students to get motivated or get into or plunge into that was something I enjoyed. My
Yes.
compliments to you. And I
Thank you very
think
much.
one thing I would like to add is that I think when you want to promote innovation, then I think you should have an audience and request them to come out with any random, foolish, or stupid ideas. Those those things, once compiled and scrutinized by the way of experience of other people, could really come out with something novel that could lead to a particular direction.
Very true, sir. I totally agree with you.
Vikash?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
सॉरी सर, आपने जो लास्ट सेंटेंस बोला मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया. आई एम रियली सॉरी. ऑडियो थोड़ा सा.
I think the last sentence, yeah, I would just repeat.
Yeah.
Basic idea is to promote innovation, and I
Yes.
think, as you rightly said, it can come from any quarter, and to that extent, from even a non-educated person, just out of experience of having the batch seen for maybe 12 or 15 years, with a single look into the your site hole, I think he can say the batch is over.
Yes.
I think
Very true.
those things we need to understand and take those people into confidence to really promote this particular innovation.
Very true, sir. I totally agree with you.
Yeah. I think very nice to know you. I had visited GFET one of these years, and yeah, and that is what you should give. भाई मैं तुम्हारे पीछे हूँ, आप कर दो. Let us try, debate, and then work basing on 100% on safety matters.
Yes. True. Totally agree.
That's all, Vikash. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. Sanjeev sir.
Thank you,
When
sir.
when you are talking about this, I will set one more example for the people who are here. I'll tell you one example that we did recently. Okay. So
Yeah.
we were having this process water. मतलब हमारे यहाँ पर दहेज जीआईडीसी में एक इशू है कि बहुत दूर से पानी आता है हम लोग रॉ वाटर जो है. तो वी वर अंडर दिस डिस्कशन कि यार इसका जो कंजम्पशन है उसे हम लोगों को कम करना है. सो हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे डिस्कशंस किए कि अरे यार किस तरह से कम करेंगे, और हमारा जो प्रोसेस जो डीएम वाटर जो प्रोसेस में यूज होने वाला है वो तो हम लोग कम कर नहीं सकते थे. तो प्रोसेस वाटर जो फ्लोर क्लीनिंग और ये सारे पर्पसेस में यूज होने वाला है उसको हम लोग कम करना. तो एक जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वर्कमैन होता है जो स्वीपिंग वगैरह करने के लिए आता है, ही गेव दिस आइडिया बिकॉज भाई व्हाई डोंट यू डू वन थिंग कि आप 2 इंच 1 इंच का पूरा हॉज लगा के रखा है आपने हर जगह पे प्लांट में साफ रखने के लिए, तो आप इसको छोटा कर दो. इसको हम लोग आधे इंच का अगर कर देंगे और वही हॉजेस यूज करेंगे ना, तो उतना कंजम्पशन चेंज हो जाएगा. एंड इट वाज अ वेरी इनोवेटिव एंड वेरी सिंपल आइडिया. फॉर मी, आई एम बीटेक, आई डिड माय एमबीए, एंड स्टिल दिस वाज समथिंग दैट ओके हाँ मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा. बट इट वाज वेरी प्रॉम्प्ट, इमीडिएट फ्रॉम हिम, and then we immediately did it, and the numbers were very lucrative. We reduced the process water consumption by at least 40% year on year. 2018 के साथ अगर 2019 को अगर हम लोग compare करते हैं, it was fantastic. So I totally agree with what Mr. Sanjeev said, that it is not the degree that counts the innovation that is coming from. It is something who has that experience, who can tell us. Thank you very much, Sanjeev sir.
Thank you, sir. If any party you feedback, we are open. Or you want? Ravi or Vaibhav?
Hello, hello.
Okay. Ravi or Vaibhav?
Yeah, okay, okay.
Okay, if this, I'll just give the final note.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Vikas Fernandez. We are all colleagues, and it's really an immense pleasure for me to have such a good discussion on an innovation and technology. Normally, we are not actually going to be. We normally work in the industry or in the organization without thinking about the innovation, and
Yes.
that's the actually the worst thing that today's generation is lacking. And that's why our government is also focusing much on innovation and student startups and all. So
Hmm.
this presentation must have helped some of the students and faculties and even some industry persons also to think from today how they can innovate something. And this is
Yes.
the correct time that everyone is at home, and they may start thinking something like what you have done at your home about that flower pot like. So something can be done. So this is really an innovative presentation, and thank you for accepting our invitation.
Thank you very much.
Future also we are going to have such presentations from you,
Yeah.
definitely. And thank you all, and thank you. With this we are closing this webinar.
Thank you.
Bye. Thanks, everybody.
Yes, Vikas bhai,
हाँ बोले 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 बोले.
there is one participant who has given some message. Sorry, sir, I am Ibrahim, an international student from Marwadi. So I
Hmm.
think he's an international student out of India. Right now he is with Marwadi University. Please next time try to use English free language because I don't understand Hindi. So if you do code mixing, I lost some points.
Okay. Sorry, I am extremely sorry, Yasin, Ramadan, और इब्राहिम. आई एम एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी. इसलिए मैंने शुरुआत में ही यही बोला था कि आपको कौन सा लैंग्वेज के अंदर आपको मजा आएगा वो मुझे बताइएगा. आई एम रियली सॉरी. एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम वी विल टेक दिस इनटू माय कंसिडरेशन. मुझे भी थोड़ी हिंदी बहुत साल हो गए हैं, मतलब बहुत कच्चा पक्का हो गया है. तो अभी मुझे थोड़ा इम्प्रोवाइज मेरी हिंदी भी करनी पड़ेगी, बिकॉज रोटली वाला सर को पता होगा, मैं जब स्कूल कॉलेज में था तब मैं हिंदी ही बात करता था ज्यादातर. बट लेकिन अभी ऐसा हो गया कि कन्वर्सेशंस थोड़े से चेंज हो गए हैं. तो मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगा अगली बार जब भी मुझे मौका मिले तो मैं हिंदी में बात करने की कोशिश करूंगा.
Okay, then we are closing. Thank you, Mr. Vikas Fernandez, for such a presentation. Thank you, all the
थैंक यू.
participants. Thank you.
ओके बाय. थैंक यू.